Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by ensuring network and device readiness. This avoids common hiccups. Make sure your MacBook and the AirPlay receiver are on the same Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is on. Once done, open Control Center in the menu bar, click Screen Mirroring, and pick the target device. This immediately starts the connection so you can confirm video and audio. You're taking action now rather than prepping endlessly, which reduces setup loops and lets you verify the link quickly. Once your Mac is connected, you'll refine the experience. Go to System Settings, then Displays to choose Mirror versus Extended Desktop. Mirror duplicates, Extended gives extra workspace, so pick based on your goal. Make sure to tweak resolution and refresh rate to match the receiver for smooth motion. Scaling fixes blurry text. Also check Sound and Control Center and switch output to the AirPlay device if you want audio on the external screen. These steps optimize picture and sound quality while explaining why each choice matters. To wrap up, stop mirroring from Control Center when finished. Choose Stop Mirroring to end the session cleanly and free network resources. If latency or compatibility is a problem, plug an HDMI adapter for a wired connection. This lowers lag and avoids wireless interference. If mirroring fails, restart Wi-Fi and your devices, confirm Mac OS updates, and temporarily disable firewall rules that block AirPlay. Following these final actions and the troubleshooting tip gives you a clear path to resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.